Okay, I'm ready to be one of those really cool Pyraminx solvers who wins all scramblers, but like this, a whole bunch, it'll be solved. Let's do on CS timer. Well, I probably want to solve the cube first. Ah, much better. Okay, so let's do the scramble. Okay, let's scramble Sims 3x3. L prime, R prime, U, L prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime. What is this? It's a U wide. So do I do it like turn it and then do it? You know what? It's probably this. That's not what it is. We all know that's not what it is. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to read Pyraminx notation. It'll be pretty complicated, so I want to show you guys. But first, we need to solve this cube. Okay, much better. So, this scrambled was when I did earlier, and I did this one wrong. So now some other scrambles can have a lot more of these lowercase looking letters. And why does this look like a 1? Pretty dumb. So, I'm going to explain all of that right now. So to scale up Pyraminx, just like we do on 3x3, we hold the green in front. There's all other curves, green in front. But this time you hold yellow on bottom for scrambling a Pyraminx. So if it's on 3x3, it looks like green, yellow bottom. So there's no top on Pyraminx, you can't really do it off the top. Okay, now you have your Pyraminx, green front, yellow bottom. The top doesn't really matter. If you have a solved cube, we do like we do usually. But let me go over it just a little bit, so that way you guys fully understand. Because it's a little bit of a different like shape than regular Pyraminx. I mean, this is a Pyraminx. So, for U's, we go like this. We move this up and to the left, that part to the left, for easier for you guys to see. For U prime, we do the opposite. For L's, we bring this left chunk, these 3 edges in the tip, down. L prime, we bring that same group up. For R, we bring this tip and the 3 chunk on this side up. R prime, we bring it down. There are no D's usually, so that D will look like this. But you could really just do a couple of U's and it'll do the same thing. Now B, this is where people get a little more tripped up. So B is going to be this back portion. Red, blue, and yellow. Red, blue, yellow. B prime is to be back to the left. I remember my B's and B primes like this. On a regular 3x3, F goes this way, and F prime goes this way. Whatever moves on the back will be the opposite. It might sound a little confusing, but here's what I mean. If you do an F and bring the back to the same point, it'll be a B prime. Go back. If you do an F prime and do the back to the same turn, it'll be a B. That's how I remember it. So, back to the Pyraminx. For a B, you bring it like how you would for an F prime. You bring it to the left on back. A B prime, you bring it to the right. Okay, now that we have those basics out of the way, let's do a scramble. I'll show you guys. So this on CS timer. U, bring it up to the left. L, left part down. Another U. R, L, U prime. Now the B prime. Remember, B prime goes like this, everybody. And then finish off with an L. Now this is a little more complicated. The lowercase, so this is lowercase r, obviously. There are also lowercase u's, which are pretty easy to see. These are like ones. They're not ones, it's a lowercase l. So for all lowercase letters, we turn the tips. Different parts of the cube. This is the up, left, right, and back. That's pretty self-explanatory. So for L, for this one looking at lowercase l, bring the left tip down. For R prime, bring the right tip down. Now, if you guys know how to use CS timer, you can do draw scramble as one of the tools. Tools buttons right here. We can check our scramble. We see that there's blue, green, yellow, green, and red. Yep. Here's a lot of blue like this. Yep. And you can check one more side. Yellow, red, yellow, green. Yep. Now obviously check this side. Red, blue, red. green, blue, yellow, yep. And then back, bottom, whichever part we didn't check yet. Usually I have to check 3 sides. We don't know it for sure, so we checked every side, but usually I have to check 2 or 3 sides, because mathematically, if you check 3 sides, it's impossible for the other one to be wrong. So yeah, let me show you guys another example of a scramble. Now this is a really good example. Let me solve this one. Let me solve this scramble really quick, so that way I can show you guys the scramble. There we go, nice and solved. So this scramble, let's do this scramble. I can't into focus. U prime, up and to the left. Again, sorry guys, I know it's actually wrong. So I'm glad I know this one more time. Green front, yellow bottom. Always, always, always when you're scrambling Pyraminx. Especially when you're in competition. I have scrambled for Pyraminx before, by the way. U prime. Speaking of scrambling for Pyraminx, actually, I did that in a competition I recently did. And it'll be coming out this weekend at some point, maybe even next weekend, depending on how my timing goes. But it might be coming out this weekend, so watch out for that. My vlog for that competition. Okay, so U prime, up and to the right. R prime, is R down. B, back to the left. U, L prime. B, U prime. L, U prime. Now they have all of them here, so let me really go over this. So this is a 1 with apostrophe, or L, lowercase L with an apostrophe. That means when you're an L prime to the tip. This is an just regular R, lowercase r, so you're an R to the tip. And left tip, right tip, up tip, back tip. B tip, is a B prime, so being to the left. And the U prime, lowercase U prime, is up and to the right. So yeah, let me try to scramble. Yeah, it's all piece of right, green, green, yellow, yellow, red, red, blue, yep. Red, red, green, green, red, green, green, yellow, blue. Yep, let's shut the bottom. Yellow, 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 green, blue, blue, red, red. Yep, and it's mathematically correct, which it is. I was like, keyhole. So yeah, I really hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Let me solve this really fast. There we go. So yeah, guys, hope you found this tutorial very interesting. One more time to review. U, L, and R are very similar to 3x3, basically exactly the same. R is this chunk, L is this chunk, U is this chunk. B is just the back chunk over here. Remember guys, there were no F moves or D moves in Pyraminx scrambles usually. And then the lowercase letters, or well, it's like a 1 sometimes for the L, is just the tips. You applied the correct L prime for the tip, then L prime for the tip. This is the same thing for the R tip, U tip, and B tip, obviously for the L tip. So yeah, guys, hope you found this tutorial very helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. I have a vlog coming out soon. I'm sorry it took me so long. Just a lot of editing. Oh, sorry. Yes, I was saying the vlog. That's actually next weekend. This weekend is hopefully the unboxing. So watch out for that. That has been in the works for a long time because of all the editing that's required and of almost losing all the footage. So, yeah. Also, a vlog that's coming out in 2 weeks. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Keep for life.